video, we will be talking about trade associations, chambers of commerce, and the likes of it. So what is a trade association? A trade association is a group of individual businessmen and women, firms and companies who come together in the same line of business in order to protect their common business interests. Examples of trade associations are NUT, Nigerian Union of Teachers, NBA, Nigerian Bar Association, also MAN, Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, and the likes of them. And also, what are the aims and functions of trade associations? They seek solutions to their common problems. They also obtain competitive price for their commodities and services. Likewise, they promote their members' interest. They also give regular trainings and information to the members to enable them enhance their business and their associations. They also serve as pressure group to the members. They protect the interest of their members. Likewise, the trade association provide trade facilities to the members. Now let's go to Chamber of Commerce. Chamber of Commerce is an association of businessmen and women in a town, city, or country from various lines of business. Examples are Nigeria Chamber of Commerce, Nigeria American Chamber of Commerce, Nigeria Indian Chamber of Commerce, and the likes of them. Then let's go to Employers Association. This is an organization comprised of a group of employers, usually within the same business field, that come together to support their members in areas such as negotiating with employees association. Now let's talk about Consumers Association. Consumers Association is an organization that does research into the safety and effectiveness of products, defend the interest of the people who also consume those products, who are the consumers. Then consumeration or consumer protection is the area of law which protects and safeguards the interest of consumers, which can also be referred to as standard organization. In our next video, we'll be treating past questions from SSC and UTME examinations.